Hello everybody and welcome back to another Abigail Page Designs YouTube video. I have part 2 of my Florida trip for you guys today, and we crammed a lot into this one. A lot, but yet it was a short video. Kind of odd, right? But we did a lot of basically just... Hello everybody and welcome back to another Abigail Page Designs YouTube video. Today is part 2 of my Florida trip. Now in this part we are going to be going to an arboretum, which, hello, you know me and my garden and flowers and all things plants. I, of course, was willing to go to an arboretum. And then there's also like there was this other part of the arboretum that wasn't really part of the arboretum, but it was basically like a historic little town, question mark? I don't know what to call it. Kind of like just a bunch of old historic homes that had been moved there for preservation purposes and the public to go and explore and see what it was like in that time era. So that was super fun too. I am a huge fan of history and I think I belong in that time era, honestly, but unfortunately here I am. So I just had a blast in doing that as well. I had fun talking to the various volunteers there. I had fun just looking at all the old stuff, seriously. Oh yeah, and then I also forgot. So before we hit up the Arboretum and the historical place, we actually went to the Kennedy Space Center, and that was fun. No, I'm not gonna sugarcoat things. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not really a huge space person, but I will say it was interesting. I wouldn't call it fun, but it was interesting. And do I remember any of the facts? No, not really, but it was still very interesting to see where the rockets launch and just how the place works. I mean, it's kind of crazy that they launch those things high in the sky and then somehow they end up in space and orbiting the Earth, question mark. I don't know. For all of my space people out there, you're probably cringing so hard right now, but I have just never really been into stars or space. I love Earth so much and all of the plants and the flowers and the trees that we have here that I'm like, I'm perfectly fine staying on Earth. I don't need to ever travel to Mars. But if you want to go to Mars, then by all means, be my guest. All right, enough chatting. Let's get the tapes rolling. Morning everybody, it is Thursday, losing track of my days over here. Yesterday we went to the Kennedy Space Center, and we were there most of the day, honestly, and then we got stuck in traffic on the way home, which was fun. But then when we got back to our Airbnb, I went on a nice sunset walk, and it was so pretty out. I've definitely gotten some sun since I've been here, and I'm not mad about it. My skin and everything feels so nice and smooth. I seriously cannot get over the weather here. This is amazing. Today's agenda, as you can see, I'm in the car again. We are going to a botanical garden, I believe, and then this like village shop area. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along, and I'm sure there's gonna be plenty of flowers and hopefully some unique landscaping, and of course, I love my landscaping. Get ready for lots of clips of lots of plants. As far as the tiny village, I have no idea, but that should be fun too. I'm sure there's lots of decor and history and everything that I love. So I am gonna take you guys along. I will film as soon as we get there. Hello everybody, ignore the sunglasses mark on my nose. We are currently at the pool. It is our last day here, unfortunately, so we've just been kind of hanging around the area, having a nice relaxing afternoon. I read a book for a little bit, and I'm about to go in the pool. I do wish the sun would come back out, but you know what, it's still warm anyways. As long as it's warm, I don't care. I am not ready to leave tomorrow at all, but I guess that is to be expected. I have plans of coming back though. I'll be back here. It's just gotta right time, right place, you know? Yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the evening. I might film, I might not. I might just try to soak up my last little bits of warm and comfort, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. I'll either see you tomorrow or I'll see you later on. All right, everybody, I'm on my way back from the pool. It was very, very nice. Warm enough for me to go in, which is saying a lot because I can't even tell you the last time I was in a pool. It's been a very long time. And now I think I'm going to, I don't know, maybe go on a walk and listen to a podcast, and then maybe get some laptop work done. My goal is to just be outside as much as possible. Yeah, I'll film a few clips on my walk if I see anything that catches my eye. There's a lot of lizards here, so if I catch one on camera, that would be awesome. I've been trying to the entire time I've been here, and I don't think I've succeeded yet, actually, so that should also be on the to-do list.
And Uncle Jason went to, he was going out of town for work, and his suitcase busted right down the street.
All right, I am doing it, guys. It has been a, I guess, goal dream of mine to eat a whole fresh pineapple all to myself for a very long time, and I feel like Florida is a good place to do that because A, their pineapples are a lot cheaper from the northern parts where I'm from, and B, their pineapples taste 1,000 times better than our pineapples, probably because they are literally grown in pretty much every yard. I have seen so many people that just have them growing as shrubs in their front yard. So I am going to enjoy my delicious bowl of fruit salad and one whole pineapple all to myself. So much for coming along with me to Florida. Now, Texas was fun and I had a blast. Like, I created so many fun memories there and it was so nice to visit friends. But Florida was different. Florida felt like my home away from home. So I definitely will be back, without a doubt. Florida, you have not seen the last of me. Also, did you see the bee? We just ran away from that bug. No, it was not a bee. When I actually looked at it, it was this really, really ugly, creepy bug that I have a feeling was gonna try to sting me. So, of course, I just went and instinct had to run away from it. I made so many fun memories with my grandparents on this trip, and I seriously cannot thank them enough for just giving me that amazing opportunity, and I just really cherished the entire thing. Like, that was better than any gift, money, anything they could have given me. Was just a nice, relaxing vacation to Florida. Enjoyed coming along with me to Florida, please leave a like on this video and let me know in the comments below what would have been your favorite stop that I went to. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe if you love all things organizing, cleaning, decorating, and gardening. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.